Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a bacon pasta dish, and the best part is it's a one-pot wonder. So it's easy, it's delicious, and minimal cleanup, which for me is always a bonus. If you want to see exactly how this comes together, make sure you keep on watching. Alrighty, so to make this, you're going to need obviously bacon. You're going to need some pasta. You can really use anything in here. I'm using bow ties because that's what I had. You're going to need some chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and then some parsley. So for this, you're going to need a skillet with high sides because essentially, this is all you're using to cook everything, including your pasta. So you're going to turn the heat on to medium, and to your skillet you're going to go ahead and add in your bacon. And I'm going to let this cook until it's nice and crispy, and then I'll meet you here. Alright, my bacon is exactly how I want it. It's nice and crispy. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it in a little bowl lined with a paper towel. But I'm going to leave the grease from the bacon in the pan because that is going to give you so much beautiful flavor, and that is what we're going to cook our onions in. Now if your bacon renders a ton of fat, you might want to just take it a little bit out and maybe leave like 2 to 3 tablespoons because it will be really overwhelming. So mine didn't render too much, so I'm just going to leave it in here. Alright, so now carefully we're going to add in our onions. Ooh. As I just dump them in. And I'm going to let this cook until the onions are fully cooked through. And then I'll meet you here. Alright, so my onions cooked down beautifully, and I just want to show you. I don't know if you can tell from the camera angle, but you see the brown bits like all into the onions? That is all the bacon like scraps that were left in the bottom of the pan. That is magic. That is going to give you so much flavor. I get so excited just thinking about it. So make sure that you use the same pan because A, you don't have to wash 2 pans, and B, you're going to get double the flavor. So to this I'm going to add in my garlic. I'm going to let this cook for about a minute or so just to get nice and fragrant and just cook a little bit. And then the real magic starts to happen. So everything is nicely gelling in here. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, some pepper, and then just zhuzh this up. And now to this, I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken broth. Ooh, oh, this is going to be so good. You just wait. Alright, we're going to bring this up to a boil. And once it comes up to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our pasta. So my chicken broth is coming up to a boil. We're going to go ahead and add in our pasta. Now I have about 3 cups in here, right? I'm using bow tie pasta. You can use whatever you want. It is going to vary by whatever shape of pasta you want because you don't want to overcrowd the pan. Otherwise, the pasta won't cook. So just kind of be conscious of that. Alright, so I'm going to give this a nice stir. What I'm going to do is we are going to cook the pasta right in here. That pasta is going to absorb your chicken broth and all those bacon flavors, and it's going to just be so flavorful and delicious. So you're going to cover this and you're going to let this cook on a simmer for about, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes, or until your pasta is fully cooked through, or al dente, however you want it. And then I'm going to meet you here so we can finish this. Alright, my pasta is cooked all the way through. It smells wonderful already. I shut the heat off, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my parm and just let the heat from the pasta melt the Parmesan. I would say, you know, half a cup. I'm not going to judge. And then we're going to add in our bacon, like them bacon, and then a little bit of our parsley. And then I'm going to save just a little for the garnish. Give this a nice stir. And you're good to go. Tell me this was not the easiest thing that you have encountered so far. You can't. You just can't. It's a one pot dish, so it's gonna be easy cleanup, beyond delicious. Look at the cheesiness. Oh, my mouth is like literally watering because it wants it so bad. All right, you guys, you know where to find the recipe: www.thelazygirlskitchen.com. Make sure that you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.